Welcome to Estepona Golf on the sun-drenched Costa del Sol. Located just 100 meters from the clubhouse, with uninterrupted vistas. You're perfectly placed on the new Golden Mile, putting you within easy reach of glamorous marinas like Puerto Banús, Sotogrande and Duquesa, as well as the stunning sands of Bahia Dorada. Plus, with a vibrant scene of restaurants and leisure activities just moments away. 2 or 3 bedroom apartments, with open-plan living rooms, integrated kitchen and stylish bathrooms. And the best part? The community offers a sparkling swimming pool, beautiful landscape gardens, and a dedicated parking space. Ready to find your slice of paradise? Estepona Golf is waiting for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.